Hey, what's up YouTube? Welcome back to my channel. And today we're going to unbox this 100 watt fast charger from Ugreen. So for today's video guys, we will be unboxing this 100 watt fast charger from Ugreen. So special thanks to Ugreen Philippines for sending this one for us to unbox here on our channel. Nag-unbox na ako ng Ugreen USB-C hub before. So if hindi nyo pa napanood, you can watch it here. And I'll provide a link in the description down below. And ever since gamit ko siya, wala pa rin akong issues. So doon mo malalaman na quality talaga yung mga products ni Ugreen. So if you don't know Ugreen, Ugreen is a company that sells dongles, USB-C hub, computer accessories, this one, chargers, cables, and marami pang iba. So if interested kayo to find out more about Ugreen products, I'll provide a link in the description down below. And if you are new to my channel and mahilig ka sa mga tech unboxing, tech reviews, mga tech boodles, then this channel is for you. So please subscribe to my channel. Click nyo na rin yung notification bell para ma-update kayo pagka-upload ko ng video na yun. Okay, so let's do the unboxing. So here it is guys, unboxing na natin siya. So here's the box, you can see the charger itself, it says GAN fast charger and with 100 watts and some of the features down below. Okay, so pulling it lang and then we can see the charger itself. Okay, so the contents of the box is the charger and the manual. So yun lang, walang kasamang cable. Please take note na walang kasamang kahit anong cables. So make sure that if you buy this, you can also buy the USB cable from Ugreen or you can use your old cables. Okay, so for this Ugreen 100 watt fast charger, this cost around 2,600 in Lazada. So I'll provide a link in the description down below. Okay, so let's proceed with the specs of this charger. Si Ugreen 100 watt fast charger, based from its name, ang kaya niyang i-output na power is up to 100 watts. It has 4 ports, 3 USB-C and 1 USB-A port. So it has GAN technology. So yung GAN is gallium nitrate. Sa mga hindi nakakaalam, actually ako rin hindi ko rin siya alam. Pero as per Ugreen, it is a new technology na ginamit nila for this charger. So yung ibang chargers, ang gamit nila is silicon chip, while this one, GAN chip na yung gamit nila. So for the first feature, dahil gamit niya na yung GAN technology, it has higher efficiency. So yung 4 ports kanina na sinabi ko, it can charge up to 4 devices simultaneously. So si USB-C 1 and USB-C 2 can charge up to 100 watts, while si USB-C 3 can charge up to 22.5 watts. Then lastly, si USB-A can charge up to 22.5 watts. And as per Ugreen, it has accurate intelligent power distribution. So Ugreen GAN charger is nicely designed to support most of the fast charging protocols to ensure that your device is charging at the fastest and safe speed. Okay, so I'll provide the list of compatible devices if gusto nyo makasure na compatible yung device nyo for this specific charger. So you can charge your laptop, iPad, iPhone, and may bakante pang isang USB-A para makacharge ka. And dahil fast charger siya, fast yung charge niya pero safe naman. So, ganun yung capabilities ni Ugreen GAN charger. But guys, please take note of this output distribution. So, pag 1 port lang yung gagamitin mo, yung mga sinabi kong watts kanina, yun yung kaya niyang ibigay maximum. Pero pag 2 ports, 3 ports, or 4 ports na yung gamit mo, mag-iiba na yung wattage na ina-output niya per port. So please take a look of this chart para ma-familiarize kayo and para maging knowledgeable kayo na pag gamit nyo na yung 4 ports, hindi lahat siya 100 watts yung output. Siyempre, lalagpas na siya sa 100 watts. 100 watts talaga yung maximum output niya. Then another feature, it has cooler operation. So dahil they are using GAN technology, it helps the charger generate less heat. So kaya niya kahit up to 4 devices ng charge na sabay-sabay. And sabi ni Ugreen, hindi siya ganun ka-iinit unlike other chargers. And that is because of the GAN technology. And lastly, it is smaller in size. So as we compare it to Apple 96 watt-hour charging brick, mas malaki si Apple and obviously, mas maliit na yung size na itong 100 watt Ugreen charger. So, kahit na mas mataas yung wattage niya, mas marami siyang ports na pwedeng i-charge, mas maliit pa rin siya. So another feature of GaN technology, they can shrink the size of the charger without sacrificing other features like yung spread ng heat and intelligent fast charging. So for me, ang ganda ng design niya. Gusto ko rin yung color niya. Very compact and perfect for travel. So if you can bring only one charger to your travel, then this is the perfect choice. So sabi ko nga kanina, this charger doesn't include cable in the box. So Ugreen also sells high quality cables like this one. So this is the 100 watt charging cable. So I think this is the perfect companion for the 100 watt fast charger ni Ugreen. And at the same time, maganda rin yung itsura niya. This cable is braided, so very flexible and very durable. So this cable is for charging and you can also use this for transferring files. And yung speed na kaya niyang gawin is up to 480 Mbps. Pero hindi siya pwedeng gamitin for video output. So take that into consideration when buying this charging cable. And ang price niya sa Lazada is around 278 pesos. So sobrang affordable niya. So all links kung saan nyo sila mabibili, ilalagay ko sa description sa baba. And check nyo na lang. Okay, so thanks again Ugreen PH for sending this. I really appreciate it and it's very nice. Okay, so thank you guys for watching this video. If you liked it, please give it a like down below. Subscribe if you haven't already. And smash that bell to get notified when I upload new videos. So hanggang dito na lang muna ulit guys. Talk to you soon.